Hello, I am M. Yusuf D. Memon from Matiari. Today I teach you exercise A, B and C of lesson 8 Dignity of Work of English class 10. Dear students, this lesson Dignity of Work is on page number 28 in your English book. So, first of all, I advise you, please read this lesson very carefully. Now, I am going to solve these three exercises. Exercise A, comprehension. In exercise A, there are total 10 questions. I am going to tell you the answers of these questions. Question 1. Why did Akhtar not answer his mother? The answer of this question is Akhtar did not answer his mother because he had returned home from school unhappy. He was feeling cross and looked untidy. Question number 2. What did Mr. Inayat tell the children? The answer of this question is Mr. Inayat always told the children interesting things. Now, question number 3. What reason did Akhtar give his uncle for being cross? The answer of this question is Akhtar told his uncle that they were having social service work at school and had to do the work of servants and gardeners. The teacher made him dust the cupboard and the desks, so he felt cross. Question number 4. What did the teacher do himself? The answer of this question is the teacher emptied the dustbin. Question number 5. What did the Holy Prophet love? The answer of this question is the Holy Prophet Sallallahu Alaihi Wasallam loved doing work for himself and for others with his own hands. Question number 6. Were the companions of the Holy Prophet like him? The answer of this question is yes. The companions of the Holy Prophet Sallallahu Alaihi Wasallam were like him. Question number 7. What did Hazrat Abu Bakr do? The answer of this question is Hazrat Abu Bakr not only did his own work with his own hands, but also fetched water for widows and neighbors who were very old and had no one to work for them. Question number 8. What did Hazrat Fatima do? The answer of this question is Hazrat Fatima did household work by herself. She fetched water, ground the corn and swept the house. Question number 9. How did Sultan Nasruddin earn his living? The answer of this question is Sultan Nasruddin earned his living by making caps. Question number 10. What does everyone do in China? The answer of this question is in China, everyone has to spend some time each year working in the fields or in a factory. Now, exercise B. Learn the meanings and spellings of the following words from the lesson and use 10 of them in sentences of your own. There are some words given and we have to use them in our own sentences. First word is cross. The usage of this word is you are looking cross today. Repaired. Second word, repaired. I have got my house repaired. Number 3, favorite. My favorite subject is English. Treat. We should treat everyone politely. Swept. This room has not been swept today. Ashamed. Your odd behavior made me feel ashamed. Trench. There is a trench outside my house. Odd. Your odd behavior made me feel ashamed. Mended. I have mended my torn shoes. Fetched. He fetched water from far. Example. We should be good example for others. Human. We should be good human beings. We should be good human beings. These were the words which I have made which I have used them in my own sentences. You can use these words in your own sentences also. So try to use these words in your own sentences. Now exercise C. For each word in list A, find a word or phrase of similar meaning in list B. We have to find out the similar meaning words from list B for list A. Here I give numbers, the words in list A. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Cross means angry. So I will give number 1 to this word. Reason means cause. Number 2, cause. Pleasant means friendly. Surprised means astonished. Favorite means specially liked. Treat, behave towards somebody. 6. Noble, showing high character. 8. 6, 7. Fetched, went far and brought back. 8. Advanced, developed. These are the 3 exercises which I have done. Thank you very much.